Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on your Poco phone. To do it, go to the settings, then go to sounds and vibration, then click on ringtone and it will get you to the themes store, and here you can search for some themes and download them if you like. So you can skip that step, but I'm gonna show you if you like that. So click on the one to listen to it, then click on the bell, click on OK, and it will start downloading it. Then skip this ad, and now go up to the pre-installed ringtones, then go to ringtone, and if it hasn't changed automatically, in my case it has, then you will need to just choose it from the list. It will be in under my ringtones. So just set it and it's done. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.